In a game of tossing a coin, tossing of a coin is called an experiment. If we rule out the possibility of a coin standing on its edge, then the experiment of tossing a coin has only two outcomes, namely tail and head. Though we know beforehand that there are only two possible outcomes, namely head and tail, we cannot say with certainty that the outcome will be a head or a tail. We shall therefore call the experiment of tossing a coin as a random experiment. Thus we can define a random experiment as follows. An experiment for which all its outcomes are known in advance, but which of these outcomes will occur can be determined only after its performance, is called a random experiment. We shall now consider an example to understand the nature of a random experiment. Suppose a balanced die is tossed n times. Suppose further that r is the number of times a face marked with integer 1 is obtained in n tosses of a die. Obviously, 0 is less than equal to r is less than equal to n. Hence, the proportion of getting a face with the integer 1 in n tosses is r upon n. N is equal to 10, R is equal to 3, R upon N is equal to 0.3000, N is equal to 25, R is equal to 5, R upon N is equal to 0.2000. It can be seen from the above table that the proportion r upon n of getting a face with integer 1 in n tosses tends to approach the value 1 upon 6 as n increases. Thus, limit n tends to infinity, r upon n is equal to 1 upon 6.